When vision meets precision, monumental structures rise. Welcome to another masterclass in industrial engineering by Lee Builders. Witness the sheer scale of this sprawling, meticulously planned complex. At its heart sits a commanding 1,485 square meter main building, perfectly supported by a 666 square meter extension and a massive 1,564 square meter storage facility. Every operational requirement is accounted for, featuring a comprehensive 349 square meter quarters building, a dedicated 40.25 square meter electrical room, and a 24 square meter utility block. Built for uncompromising strength, the facility features robust block wall construction and premium deck sheet flooring. The interior opens up with a sweeping 24-meter wide span, engineered with a precise structural profile reaching a 3.5-meter top. Designed for ultimate operational excellence, the structure is crowned with advanced PUF sheet roofing for superior thermal insulation, seamlessly paired with transparent sheeting to bathe the massive workspace in natural light. To handle the heaviest demands, the facility is fully equipped with high-performance ventilation fans and heavy-duty EOT crane setups spanning across 2 dedicated sections. Precision at every scale. Excellence in every detail. Build your industrial future with Lee Builders.